is Jeanna and Matt.
Hey friends, we're so glad you joined us today for the letter R, and it is the 18th letter of the alphabet. Oh my goodness, that is so much fun. Now R says a sound that goes er. Yeah, kind of like Max does. And we can use some words like rainbow, yeah, or roll, or how about rug? Those are some good ones. But I know, Max, that you and Miss Beth have picked out some special things for us in your magic box that start with the letter R. Look, Max, it's a yellow ribbon. That's really pretty. I like that. You and Miss Beth picked out a pretty color too.
This one's a little heavy.
Oh my goodness. What could that be, friends? Let's see. Miss Beth's gonna roll it over a little bit for us. It's a painted rock. How many of you have ever been out and found a painted rock? Raise your hand. Ooh, we have a few friends that have. So we'll put that rock over here. So the next one they pull out is gonna be a car, and it's a red car. And the color red starts with an R. All right, Max, that's 1, 2, 3 things. What else are you gonna show us? Roll! The car rolls! Good job, Max. It's okay, the car's okay. Good job, Max. So we have all of our things that start with the letter R. So now we are going to sing a song, and this song is about what we would do if we were in a rocket ship. Are you ready, everybody? It goes like this. We're flying to the moon. We're flying to the moon. Blast off away we go. We're flying to the moon. So if you got to be in a rocket ship, you could fly to the moon. Now, Max, do you and Miss Beth have a special book picked out for us today?
We do. It's called On the Launch Pad.
Oh, look at that! And it has a rocket on it. How many of you would like to go into space one day? Raise your hand. Would that be so much fun? Max wants to go into space. So we'll have to pretend like we're going to space today. Yeah. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining us for the letter R that makes an R sound. We hope to see you next time for our next